Vegan whole wheat calzone. We are making calzone with whole wheat flour. Let's see what ingredients do we need. We need whole wheat flour, salt, red chili flakes, Italian seasoning. Here I have fresh oregano and rosemary, extra virgin olive oil, yeast, sugar and warm water. For the stuffing, we will be using spinach, mushrooms, white corn, these are fresh white corns, finely chopped garlic, Italian seasoning, chili flakes, olive oil, salt and vegan cream cheese. Adding vegan cream cheese to your stuffing is optional. For making pizza dough, add whole wheat flour to a bowl. Add active dry yeast, sugar, mix everything well. Now it's time to add salt, chili flakes, Italian seasoning. I'm also adding fresh rosemary and fresh oregano. These are fresh herbs from the garden. Crush the oregano leaves and add to the dough. If you are using a stand mixer, knead the dough for about 6 to 7 minutes. I am showing you how to knead the dough with your hands. Mix water with the dry ingredients and on a clean countertop, transfer this mixture. Now slowly go on adding warm water as needed and start kneading the dough. Knead for about 10 to 12 minutes. And your dough will be ready. The dough should be sticky and it should be soft. With your palm, stretch the dough and fold the dough. Now add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to the dough and start kneading again. Now once the dough is ready, transfer it to a bowl and cover it with cling wrap and let it sit for 1 hour in a warm place. For the stuffing, heat a pan on medium flame, add oil and add crushed garlic to it. Saute garlic till the raw smell of garlic disappears. Now add corn. Add spinach. Stir well and cook for a minute. Now add mushrooms. After adding mushrooms, cook for 30 to 40 seconds only. Add salt, chili flakes, Italian seasoning, and now our stuffing is ready. Now let this mixture cool down completely, and you can see after 1 hour our dough has doubled in size. Sprinkle some dry flour on the workstation and transfer the dough. Now using a pastry cutter or a knife, divide this dough into equal small portions. Now roll each portion into a equal size ball. Preheat the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit and roll each dough into 4 to 5 inches circles. Make sure you don't roll them into thin circles. Now add stuffing in the center and fold the dough to make a semicircle. Now with a fork, close the edges and the calzone is ready to bake. Now here I have added vegan cream cheese to the stuffing and I am using it to stuff inside the calzone. You can also fold the mixture with your fingers and seal the edges using a fork. Now arrange the calzones in a baking tray and with a knife make slits on the outer side of the calzone. Apply extra virgin olive oil with a brush. Now bake these calzones at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or till they become golden and crispy on outside. Calzones are ready to serve. You can serve them with marinara sauce or with your favorite sauce. If you like these recipes, please like, share and subscribe, and it's vegan too.